We're not following Max. We cannot follow Max. What? Burger. Cheese. Con queso, por favor.
I'm not gonna watch.
You wanna wait? Okay.
Because I haven't leave all the new sites.
Sin queso, por favor.
Ray, you got too much energy right now. I think
I had a Mountain Dew.
what happens when Ray doesn't fly out.
I want to see your white after.
This is 13 flight.
Oh shit, okay, sorry, we didn't think about Jonah.
Oh, are you landing, Jonah?
Go Havoc.
That's so buzzy.
I've got the same fan and I'm faster than you.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Where are you going? Where are you going? What you got on me?
Just because you're loud doesn't mean you're faster. Hello, bye-bye.
Who is that?
That's me.
Oh, that was Ray.
Yeah, hi, bye-bye. I blow you.
You guys actually please stop.
You're gonna make Max crash. Better watch out.
I hate to say it, but I think Ray's faster.
Ray is
So much for 140 miles an hour.
Yeah, honestly. No, it's
There's Frankie. Whoa, Frank, you okay?
I was right behind you, Frank.
Max, that fan sounds amazing, huh?
You want to hear a good fan? How about this?
That was like 3 feet from my face, right?
Oh, Jonah's on the runway.
Jonah's
Jonah's on the runway. Like a human body is on the runway right now.
Okay, good.
Hello, human. Whoa, wind did something funky up there. You feel it, Frank? I have nothing of the sort.
I love Frank's out the top and
You guys are just rubbing it in with
Yeah, we are.
balance.
You will. Low pass.
It does sound wobblier.
It doesn't sound too bad. It's just not perfect. All right, Frank, full throttle dive.
Yeah, my battery's begging for me to get
All right, I'm chilling now. I'm for sure coming in right now.
I gotta come in with batteries. My battery's begging for mercy.
I'm okay. I'm coming in right now. I'm already cutting in. You're fine.
Yeah, Frank, you're alright. Ray, I love that descent. Hit the thermal.
Too late. Already hit it.
I got thermal. Oh, Frank, it's going again, huh?
I'm all the way at the end. Come on in, Max. No, I wasn't, and I was looking at the eagle. Hello, eagle. Golden eagle trying to run away from us. Yeah, that's a golden eagle over there. Check that out.
Nice, Max.
Golden eagle's like, get them things out of here without them flapping wings.
Oh, Max, nice. Wheelie, dude.
Oh!
Oh, Frank, he's on the middle. There you go, you're good.
What the shizems?
Frank's battery's like, please! Stop it!
It's old and ugly, but it's still very fast. You're clear, come on. Yeah, we scared off the golden eagle. Didn't want to be here.
That was a fun flight.
It was fun. Very fun.
Oh, Frank, that looks So good.
Even with the max heckling, it was fun.
Doesn't that make it more fun?
Very nice. Uh-oh. You're gonna scrape the wing. Oh.
Oh, yeah.
How you no scratch? How you no scratch?
Yeah, that burner looks so good.
I don't even need flaps for my landing.
Because you got such a light mass.
Alright, come on, bring it over. Leave it there, Max.
Alright, on a scale of 1 to 10, how good is my landing?
Come on, Frank. Mine's good.
How about it?
Be a little warm, but come on, Frank, drive it up. What's your battery at? 100 temperature? Sheesh.
You're gonna impale my plane.
That Gooniac balance sounds good.